Hey guys, how have you all been? Hope you all are doing extremely well. Welcome back to yet another video or the video 3 on our AI series where we are explaining AI concepts just like movies. In this video, we are going to understand what are embeddings using one of the most popular movies, Interstellar. I'm really excited to explain you this entire concept because particularly Interstellar as a movie is one of the most watched movies by me and I really like that movie. So without any further delay, let's get into the computer screen and let's start with the video. So embeddings with the help of Interstellar. Let's understand each and everything one by one. First thing that we say, in space, the distance represents difference in the meaning. Embedding map words into meaning space. Always remember, in terms of AI, the distance represents difference in the meaning. Okay. The big idea here is we have the words which are given to AI model, the input that is given to AI model, it understands it and have the embeddings which are vectors in space. And then we have the meaning which are captured as relationships between the given words. What happens here is, for example, we have different three different dimensions here. One dimension talks about different aura or different kind of personalities. When we have king, then we have queen, we have prince, we have princess. When we talk about these all words, we have a similarity, right? This similarity means that these words come under a meaningful space where we talk about kingdom, king or queen. So we can say these all words are relative. The next example that we take is about fruits. Apple, mango, banana, pineapple. All these words are relatable to each other because they come under a single category called fruits. And then we have the third category, which talks about car, bike, truck, aeroplane, ship. So these words come under a single category, which is a mode of transport. So we can say these words are relatable to each other. So here, as we see, we have a visualizing meaning space where we say the closer the words are, the more similar the meaning they have. King and queen are very similar to each other. King and apple are not similar, and car and bike are similar. Okay, so hence we say the distance in the space here is difference in the meaning. As you see, the distance between the different spaces are huge. Hence, we have the difference in the meaning between all these words. Okay, after that, let's understand how embeddings work one by one. So the first step here is user gives the input. The input is given into text, then it is converted into tokens, and these tokens are now converted into vectors. AI converts the words into numbers. The king, queen, apple, and car are converted into the respective vectors. Now each vector here is becoming a point in space. This is a point in space. This is a three-dimensional or a four-dimensional space that we have, and each word becomes a point. Let's say you have the coordinates over here, and then we measure the distance between each word. Okay, so if you see these two blue blocks are similar, they are of blue color. Hence, that means that these words are similar to each other and the distance between them is closer. Whereas the distance between this blue block and this yellow one is huge. That means the similarity is not that great. It is not that similar to each other. Once we measure the distance here, AI understands the meaning. The closer point says that these words have more similar meaning to each other. And once we are done with that, why do we need it? Why is it so powerful? Why are embeddings needed? Because it does not capture just the keywords, but also captures the meaning of the word by using the distance or the similarity. Second point is it understands the relationship between the different concepts and also helps as a developer to enable semantic search, recommendations, RAG, clustering, and even more. We can take up a real world example wherein before the AI era, if you even want to go with Google, you when you search for car, you will only get pictures which are related to car because what it does is it finds the exact match of the keyword that you have given. But when it comes to AI, with the help of semantic search, meaning the embeddings, what it will do is it will find the related meaning meaning the input that is given. Let's say we have car. And as we saw here, the car is related to bike, it is related to truck, it is related to tire as well, right? So it will give us the related meaning here. Car, vehicle, auto, truck, and bike. So this is why we need different kind of embeddings, because this will give the related meaning on different kind of words that we are giving as a user. So I hope you guys liked this video. Interstellar being my favorite movie, I really like the way it is explained here. And let me know what is your favorite movie and in which movie would you like me to explain these kind of AI concepts or any web concepts that you want. If you like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.